Welcome back, students. Today we will learn to find out the unknown mass, this one, with this parallelogram law operators. We will use the parallelogram law which is explained in your theoretical part, and we will find out the mass of this object, and we will trace this force lines, these force lines for different masses here on this side and also on this side. We will change the masses at this point. Each of this mass is of 50 gram, and we will also use this plane mirror and these pens and this plain paper to complete the process. Let's come to the object. As per curriculum, our objective for this experiment is to find the weight of a given body by the parallelogram law of forces. Apparatus, as I shown you, required is also given here, but for getting exact name of apparatus required, you should go through any CBSE lab manual, latest edition. Some of you have asked me personally about that, so you should keep at least one lab manual in which many information in addition to this video will be available to you to support your learning. First, we will draw these line of forces for different values on this diagram that is on this paper with the help of this plane mirror. And after completing this diagram, we will use the formula. This is the formula used for calculating from the diagram. P and Q will be measured, and the angle between P and Q forces will be measured from the geometrical drawing on this parallelogram law apparatus. For first observation, we will use on left side 4 weights, that is 200 gram. On the right side 3 weights, that is 150 gram. We will keep increasing this 150 gram by 50 gram each. These are the additional weights with us. So we will have 3 readings: 150 gram, then 200 gram, 200, 200 both sides, and here we will increase once more 250 gram, 200 and 250 gram, another observation. So in this way we will complete the observation here. Now I will explain how we will take the observation. Now you will see the image of this thread inside this mirror, and you will overlap this image onto this thread, and then you will mark points both sides of the mirror. You will mark, as I explained to you here, like this on one side, that is right side, and then left side also 2 points will be marked. Then mirror will be removed, and you will see that whether these points are coming just below this line. When you will see from the vertical, it is at 90 degree, you will find like this. And similarly you will draw these 2 points on again all the 3 threads. In this way, for all 3 threads we have taken these observation points. Now we will remove this paper and complete the geometrical diagram. Thus, geometrical drawing for this particular observation, in which we took 200 gram on left side, as I told you, and 150 gram on right side. After completing this diagram with simple geometrical construction, we have completed this diagram. You can see here OA is our P weight. OA, you can see this is P, this is first part, first force on parallelogram, and then OB is our second force, that is 150 gram, and we have chosen a scale that is 50 gram equals to 2 centimeter. So this is of OB is 6 centimeter. OB length is taken 6 centimeter. Similarly here same scale is followed. So this is 8 centimeter for 200 gram, and then we have measured this R, how much we will get it. The observations will be recorded in this table for measurement of P, Q and R. You can see that 200 gram was our left side weight, so 200 gram or 8 centimeter is taken. Right side weight, that is P, that is P and Q both were taken, you know that well. So this is Q. Force Q is 150 gram, that is 6 centimeter, and the length we measured here. This is length of OC. Length
8.8
length of this length. I am talking about this length OC is 8.8 centimeter, which is converted into gram weight after multiplying with the scale. That was 2 centimeter is equal to 50 gram. So 1 centimeter 50 by 2 gram, so 8.8 into 50 by 2, that is 220 gram. This angle from P to Q, as an angle between the two forces, is measured 114 degree, which is recorded here 114 degree. Another angle of importance here we have shown. You see that this line is an extended straight line. In this way it is going up to C dash. So this OC is making an angle of 1 degree. So this is COC dash angle. COC dash angle. It is 1 degree here in this case. All these observations recorded, 1 degree angle is here, and in this way we will record 2 more observations. As I stated in the beginning, we will go for 2 more readings, and readings are again after completing drawing recorded over here. 200 gram on left side and 200 gram on right side. Its resultant vector R or the found 8.6 centimeter, and then converted into gram 1 and 215. The angle in between 120 degree. Like this, all these readings will be completed. So in this way, these observations when completed, mean unknown weight can be found, which was after mathematical calculation found 217.33, but so many significant figure in it, and we have only 2 significant figures. Least number of significant figure are 2 in our observation, so we will have to restrict this answer to 2 significant figures, that is 220 gram weight is the correct answer after properly rounding off it. So this is 220 gram weight. The final answer is the weight of the unknown mass given object body, whatever body provided to us. We have found the weight of that body with the help of parallelogram law apparatus, and it is found 220 gram weight. As in the previous experiment, precautions and sources of errors, number of precautions and sources of error which are possible in the experiment, and what kind of precautions should be taken. This can be found in a standard form in your lab manual. As I told you that some lab manual in support is required, and any CBSE latest lab manual for class 11th physics is sufficient to get these sources of error and precautions in detail. So better you go through that lab manual, study all to support this learning from this video, and write these sources of error and precautions. Also you will use this formula, that is p square plus q square 2pq cos theta square root, that power half. Using these different values from the table of p, q and r, in fact p and q, not r will be find out from substituting this value analytically. Also you will substitute 200 p and then 150 q and the angle between 114 degree in that formula, and will calculate respective values of r for 3 different observations. After finding 3 different values of R, you will get average of the 3 values, and then you will see whether this is also coming approximately equal to this 220 gram weight, whatever values you are getting. Then you will write here a conclusion that the parallelogram law is verified analytically also. So here in this part I have left for you this blank part, this one. You will analytically found the value of R, and then average of that will be written over here, average value of the resultant R found analytically, which will be almost equal to 220 gram weight. So in this way you will conclude this conclusion will also be written in your record notebook, that is to be submitted as assignment. Thank you very much for joining today.